Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you line face masks that I made. The products that I used are 100% cotton fabric, interfacing, I used iron-on interfacing, oval cord elastic or 1/4 inch soft stretch braided elastic, scissors, measuring tape, and pins. Here's a navy and white polka dot face mask that I made with mint green fabric on the sides of the face mask for a nice two-tone look. Pictured here is what the face mask looks like before pinning the folds. Here's a face mask with the folds pinned and ready to sew. Sewing the final touches on the face mask, here I sewed a straight stitch along the face mask with a 1/4 inch seam. Shown here is what the face mask looks like after I sewed a straight stitch along the face mask with a 1/4 inch seam. Here I pinned the sections of the fold so that I could fold them evenly before taking it to my sewing machine to sew on the seam. Here is the finished heart face mask. This picture features a pink flower face mask. Lastly, I have a beautiful black and white face mask. Purchase Oliviancio clothing and accessories on oliviancio.com. For more how-to and style videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Olivia Rita. Follow Oliviancio on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned next time for more how-to and style.